What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on MARA stock. First of all, brief information about this company. Marathon Digital Holdings operates as a digital asset technology company that mines cryptocurrencies with a focus on the blockchain ecosystem and the generation of digital assets in the United States. Their total market cap for now is $3.85 billion. They have a revenue of $4.36 million with a negative net income of $10.45 million. They have amazing revenue growth year over year of 267.65%. They have a total cash, according to this data, of $141.32 million with total debt of $184,096. And their current ratio is way above required level of 1.5, and for now it is 198.38. So they have a rather strong balance sheet, they have rather strong financials, and on their website you can find any necessary information about this company in order to do your own due diligence. But we are interested in their press release section, and I made my previous video about a month ago, but since then we have several news, and the most recent one is right here on April the 5th. And it's titled Marathon Digital Holdings announced Bitcoin production and mining operation updates for the first quarter of 2021. And here is this press release, and let me quote you these bullets. Preliminary first quarter 2021 highlights. They produced 196 new minted bitcoins in the first quarter of 2021, increasing total bitcoin holdings to 5,134.2 with a fair market value of approximately $301.9 million as of March 31st, 2021. At March 31st, 2021, cash on hand was approximately $212 million, and total liquidity defined as cash and Bitcoin holdings was approximately $513.9 million. And basically it's highly above this information of $141.32 million. Next bullet, they received approximately 10,300 S19 Pro ASIC miners from Bitmain during the first quarter of 2021. They have an update on their production. And as you can see, in January 2021, they produced 50.4 bitcoins. In February 2021, they produced 43.4 bitcoins. On March 2021, they produced 102.3 bitcoins. And this is because of their new mining capacity. They are increasing their mining capacity to 10.3 thousand Antminers. Let me show you their delivery schedule. On April 2021, they have to receive 4,800 miners. On May 2021, they have to receive 1.8 thousand miners. The same amount of miners will be delivered in June and July. Then in August 7,000, and you can see these numbers are increasing till December. And basically, what should you expect with these numbers? We have 10 days, only 10 days till the end of April, and we have to have these miners to be delivered. And that's why we have to wait until we will see this press release. Basically, this will be a good sign for the company and another good catalyst. And on top of that, let me show you their key investment highlights, and we are on their investor presentation, and it is a recent presentation made at the end of March 2021. And as you can see, they anticipate to have 6.4% of global Bitcoin hash rate. They are on track to produce from 55 to 60 BTC per day at average cost of $4,541 per BTC. They have an exclusive partnership, guarantee low energy cost and consistent access to miners. They have more than $216 million in cash and about $1.5 million in total liabilities. So this ratio is amazing. They have a growth strategy plus low energy cost that leads to leveraged exposure to BTC upside and mitigated downside risk. And they have consistent access to capital in capital-intensive industry. And basically, from the investment standpoints, these bullets are quite impressive. So, all this information leads us to their institutional investors. And as you can see, since I made my previous video, we have several filings, and basically we have two closed positions. One of them is only $2,000, if I remember it right, in value, and another one right here, and it's quite big. It is $2 million, and basically this company just closed their position. So we have this company, and you can see that they increased it on 348%. Basically, it is rather good information, because if we compare the value of opened position and closed positions, we can see the strong uptrend. So the majority of companies are still buying and increasing their position in this company. And all this information leads us to the technical analysis. But before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So as you can see right here, we hit our two major accumulation points, and we didn't hit the third one. And from this point we were up for about 100% to our highest point, and for now we up about 25%, and it is also very good percentage. Let me show you that we established higher lows with the higher highs. This means we are still in the uptrend, and let me show you this trend line. As you can see, we have several touches, and for now we just bounce back from this line, and this line should hold. If we break this line, we have a couple of supports right here at previous pivot points, and basically we might hit again our accumulation points. And let me show you that these points, the lowest point is right here. Let me show it more thoroughly. We can extend it like this, and if we will hit this accumulation point, statistically it will be the most probable level of trend reversal. So for now we have this as our trend line, and basically I don't think that we will break it with the first time, and I'm still bullish on this company. Basically we have to follow the correlation with Bitcoin price. Let me show it to you right here. So as you can see, Marathon Digital follows the Bitcoin price very thoroughly, and we have this huge decline, and and the reason of this decline is right here. We are on coingate.com, and this article was published 2 days ago, and it's titled Chinese Xinjiang Blackout and Bitcoin hash rate correction cost BTC price crash. And let me quote you this: the blackout in Chinese Xinjiang region caused almost half of the Bitcoin network to go offline in 48 hours. This blackout was due to maintenance after the massive flooding and security issue at power station in China. Chinese Xinjiang province powers a huge chunk of Bitcoin miners. With this blackout, the BTC hash rate collapsed significantly, leading to further price correction. And that's why we have this decline in Bitcoin price, and that's why we have this decline of about 38% in price of Marathon stock. So what should you expect if you want to invest in this company? First of all, always do your own due diligence, and if you decide to invest in this company, this is a good point to you to enter your position, and you have to realize that we have several support lines. Let me show it to you. We have next support right here, next one right here, and it is our major pivot point so far. And because we have this data, and this is our lowest point according to Elliott wave theory, this is the retracement from the entire structure from the bottom to the top of this wave, and this point might give us a price targets. And to project these targets, I pulled the Fibonacci extension tool from the bottom of the entire structure to the top, as you can see here. And here is the retracement. The lowest point of the retracement is right here. And with the assumption that this is only the first wave on a greater scale, we might hit 0.786 level at roughly $62.1 price point. Next target might be at 1-to-1 extension from the first wave, and it is $72.46 price point. And the most aggressive target is 1.618 extension level, and it is roughly $102.37. And let me show you the percentage wise from our entry point right here. because we have average price between these two marks, and we have about 271% of potential profits, and from our current price we have about 190% of potential profits to our most aggressive target. So with that being said, please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell and hit the like button. See you guys and girls next time. Bye!